Hi everybody, it's Patty Ann here, and today I'm going to show you what I'm learning on how to make some print and cut party favors. So what I did was I went to images and I found a Hello Kitty image that I really liked. Let's see. There she is. I'm going to insert her. Okay, the next thing I want to do is I want to make her about the size I'd like her to be. And she's going to be a print and cut, so she can only be certain dimensions. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to ungroup her because I'm going to move her little bow and her little shorts over here. And I think I'll leave her nose. No, I'll take her nose out. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight all of this and I'm going to flatten it, which makes this part into a print, if you'll notice up here. And so then I want to make sure that her little, oops, bring it to the front. Pants are still going to fit perfectly, yeah. Okay, so then the only thing that I have to do now is to go to make it. Although one thing I did like to do was, so I don't like to use up this much space because I'm not doing vinyl, so I don't need them spaced like this. So actually, I think what I'll do is duplicate this. Put it over. And then on this one, I think I will contour and get rid of the little shorts. And rather than having to do all these little pieces, I think I'll just put this up in here and make a print, or flatten this together. Flatten those two things together. And so then this will be what I print. Let me come back over here so I can contour this. And I can get rid of the bow because I'm printing it. So then the only part I'm actually going to cut out are her nose and her little shorts, or her dress, I'm sorry. And yeah, and that's it. So now I just go to make it. Okay, she fits on there perfectly, so I'm going to print her and I'll be right back. This is what she looks like when she comes out of the printer, and then I have her on a mat and she's ready to go to be cut. This is Hello Kitty and she's all cut out. She's ready for some embellishment. Her shorts / dress, and here she is all finished. Thanks for joining me, everybody. If you like my videos, please give them a thumbs up and share them across the social media. Thanks, you guys. Bye.